Do you need to replace the cooling fan on your Inspiron 14 5425? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Then disconnect the cooling fan cable. Now unscrew and remove the cooling fan. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.